Morning friends, welcome to Eco Engineer YouTube channel. Today we discuss about STLE subject, switching theory and logical designing subject. In this subject, we discuss about number systems. A number system is used for counting of various items. Now, the modern technology, computers are operate with and communicate with two digits, nothing but binary number systems. Binary number systems in modern computers, they communicate and operate with two digits, 0 and 1 values. And also, basically, the number systems used by the human being is decimal number systems. Basically, human being use number system is decimal number system. The computer or operate or communicate with this binary number systems. Binary number system. Today we discuss about number system. The number systems are four types: decimal number system, binary number system. Another two are hexadecimal number system and octadecimal number system. Here we have discussed about decimal number system. Here decimal number system is nothing but their decimal number system means 10 numbers. Here the decimal system has 10 symbols. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total numbers are 10. This is called as decimal number system. In other words, this has a base of 10 because of there are 10 digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 digits. That's why it is called, another name is the base of 10. It is called as decimal number system. Here the next number system is a binary number system. Here binary number system means binary number has a radix of 2 because of there is 2 digits, 0 or 1. That's why the radix of 2. Here only 2 digits are needed and these are 0 and 1 are binary number systems. Here the radix of this decimal number is 10 because of 10 numbers. 10 digits are there. That's why the radix of decimal number system is 10. Here the radix of binary number system is 2 because of 2 digits, 0 and 1. Now discuss about octal number system. Here octal number system, it use first 8 digits of decimal number system. It use first 8 digits of decimal number system. In decimal number system there are 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In these 10 digits numbers, 10 digits, last 2 digits are leave it. The 8 digits octal system use base of 8 because of there are 8 digits, like there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 are octal number system digits. It use first 8 digits of decimal number system. These are the first 8 digits of decimal number systems: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now hexadecimal number system. Here the hexadecimal number system has a base of 16. Hexadecimal. Hexa means 6. Decimal means 10 plus 6, 16. 16. The hexadecimal number system has a base of 16. They are 16 symbols. There are 16 symbols, 16 digits. Those are decimal number systems. 0 to 9 are of decimal number systems: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are decimal number systems, including 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These digits are replaced or followed by A, sorry, A, B, C, D, E, these are hexadecimal symbols. The hexadecimal number system has base of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now, these line numbers are the decimal number systems, but 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, these numbers are represented in the hexadecimal number systems are followed by A, B, C, D, E, F. A value is 10, the B value is 11, C value is 12, D value is 13, E value is 14, F value is 15. This is hexadecimal number system. Here, the radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay, the radix of octal number system is 8. Okay, the radix of decimal number system is 10. The radix of binary number system is 2. Okay, this is the about number systems. There are 4 types: binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number systems. The radix of binary number system is 2. The radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. The radix of octal number system is 8. The radix of binary number system is 2. Now, the tabular form of decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Here, the decimal number is 0 is taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9. We will discuss now. So decimal number 0. Here binary number, binary is, radix of binary is 2. The radix of decimal is 10. The radix of octal number system is 8. The radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now, this is the decimal numbers you have to know. Binary number system, how to convert the decimal number system to binary number system. How to convert decimal number system to octal number system. How to convert decimal number system to hexadecimal number systems. Now I have to discuss now. Decimal number to binary number. Here, the decimal number is 0 divided by 2. What is the value? 0. Here, binary numbers can be in binary coded decimal numbers. We have to represent it as 4 zeros. This pattern is binary coded number system, BCD, binary coded digits, binary coded number system. Okay. Now about octal number system, 8 divided by 0, value is 0, and 16 divided by 0 also value is 0. Here the 1. 1 divided by 2 is also 1. The value is 1. The value is 1. The value is also 1. Now that's 2. 2 divided by 2 is 2 ones are 2. Value is 0. Here the value is 1, 0. That's why the value is 1, 0. Have understand? Here 2 is a binary number. This one number is 2. Divide with the binary number 2. 2 ones is 2. The value is 0. 1. This is the carry towards upward direction. Okay. The value is 1 and 0. 1, 0. The octal number system is 2. Because of, you can divide with 8. Does not. Now also it's 2. Now the decimal number system is 3. Divided with 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. This 1 is carry. Now the value of 3 is the value of binary code of value of 3 is 1, 1. Octal number system is 3. The hexadecimal number system is 3. Now the fourth. Divided with binary number 2. 2 2s are 4. 0, 2 ones are 2, 0 reminder, value is 1. Here, this is the decimal number system. We divided binary number system. 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 0. 2 ones are 2, the remainder is 0. The 1 is reminder. This is a upward direction. Now, the decimal number 4, the binary code is 100. Okay. The octal number system, 4 value. Hexadecimal number system, the 4 value. Now, the fifth. Divided by binary number system, 2. 2 2s are 4, the value is 1. 2 ones are 2, the value is 0. 1 is carry. 101 is the value of binary code of 5 is 101. Octal number system is 5. Hexadecimal number system is 5. Now the 6. This is decimal number 6. The binary number 2 divided 3 times. The value is 0. 202. The value is remainder 1. This is 1. 110. The binary code of 6 is 110. The binary octal number system of 6 is 6. The hexadecimal number system binary decimal number 6. Here, the binary number of code of 7 is the decimal number 7 divided by 2. 3 2 is 6. The remainder is 1. 2. 202. The remainder is also 1. This is minus 1. The binary code of 7 is 3 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. The octal is 7. The hexadecimal number is also 7. Now 8. This is octal decimal number system 8. This value is binary number 2. 4 times. Value is 0. 2 to 4, the value is 0. 2 under 2, the value is 0. 1 carry. 1 0 0 0. The value of 8 binary number is 1 0 0 0. The value of this one octal number system is here. We have to see that in octal number system, octal number is decimal number is 8. Octal number is 8. 8 ones are 8. The value is 0. 1 carry. This is number of octal number system of decimal number 8 is 10. This is also similarly hexadecimal number is 8. Now number 9. Decimal number is 2. 4 times. 2, the value is 1. 2, the value is 0. 2 under 2, the value is 0. 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Okay. The value of octal number system. Here octal number is 8. We can divide 8 ones are 8. The value is 1. The value is 1. 1 1 is a octal number of 9. Okay. This value is also 9. This is a conversion of decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Here, decimal number 0, the binary code of decimal number 0 is 0 0 0. Okay. 0. The binary code of decimal number 0 is 0. The binary code of decimal number 4 is 1 0 0. The binary code of 7 is 1 1 1. The binary code of 9 is 1 0 0 1. In simple form, we have to remember this decimal conversion to binary conversion. This is simple formation is your fingers. The value is 2 power 0, so 1. 2 power 1, so value 2. The 2 power 2, the value is 4. 2 power 3, the value is 8. 2 power 4, the value is 16. Now, the binary code of 5. The 5 means, you have to remember this, the value is 1, the value is 2, the value is 4, the value is 8, 16. The value of 5 means 4 plus 1. You have to close 4 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Here means this is a 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. 2 power 0 means value 1, 2 power 1 means value 2, 2 power 3 means 8, 2 power 3 means 2 cube 8, 2 power 2 value 4, 2 power 4 the value 16. Now we have to convert the decimal number which is 7. We have to assume the value of decimal number 7. The 7 means 4 plus 3 plus value 4 plus 2 plus 1 value 7, 3 ones. Now we convert the value 3. Here value is 1, value 2, 4, 8, 16. We convert 3 out here. 1 plus 2 value is 3. Binary code number is 1. Now we check it out. The value is 9. 9 means the value is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 9 means we have to add 8 plus 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1. This is simple to have to convert decimal to binary number system. We have to use your fingers for calculating, converting from decimal number system to binary number system, which is very easy conversion. The decimal number system conversion to binary conversion. Similarly, there is an alternative conversion between binary to decimal conversion system. Similarly, octal decimal number system to decimal number system. Here, hexadecimal number system to the decimal conversion number system. There are 8 conversions: decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to decimal. Here is also decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal conversions. Similarly, in this binary to octal conversion, the binary to hexadecimal conversion, hexadecimal to binary conversion, octal to binary conversion, these are some of conversions are there. These topics are literally furtherly I have to discuss. Thank you very much.